Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cindy Satya Desti. I am from class 7B and today I will presentation about discourse and genre. What is genre? Genre is a stage, goal-oriented, purposeful activity in which speakers engage as members of our culture. What is genre? A genre comprises a class of communicative events that the members of which share some set of communicative purposes. Their purposes are recognized by the expert members of the parent discourse community. And thereby constitute the rational, i.e., social purpose for the genre. This social purpose shapes the semantic discourse structure of the discourse and influence and constrains choice of content and style. And the next is, what is a genre? Communicative purpose is both as preferred criterion, that is, the criterion that matters the most, and one that operates to keep the scope of a genre as here confines narrowly focused on comparable rhetorical action, i.e., what is doing. In addition to purpose, exemplars of a genre exhibit various patterns of similarity in terms of structure, style, content, and intended audience. And what is a genre? If all high probability expectation that is more or less, not either or, are realized, the exemplar will be viewed as prototypical by the parents' discourse community. The genre names inherited and produced by discourse communities and imported by others constitute valuable ethnographic communication but typically need further validation. Practicing a genre is almost like playing a game. With its own rules and convention, established genre participants, both writers and readers, are like skilled players whose success by their manipulation and exploitation of rather than a strict compliance with the rules of the game. It is not simple, a matter of learning the language or even learning the rules of the game. It is more like acquiring the rules of the game in order to be able to exploit and manipulate them to fulfill professional and disciplinary purpose. Assigning a text to a genre category. Customer: what kind of book would you say this is? Where would you put it on your bookshelf? Sales assistant: well, I suppose you'd call it a biography because it's got some of her earlier life in it. It is not a memoir. I don't know. It is not very interesting. She got someone else to help her write it. It should have been in the first person. I only read about half of it. I don't know. Maybe it's unexposed. The next. Relationship between genres. And then, written genres across cultures. Next, spoken genres across cultures. Summary. Genres are activities that people engage in through the use of language. Letters to the editor and academic essay are examples of written genres. Academic lectures and casual conversation are examples of spoken genres. Summary. Genres may be spoken or written in typical and sometimes conventional ways. Genres often have a common function and purpose, or set of functions and purposes. There may be certain contexts in which a genre typically occurs. The last, summary. A text may have the same structures as other texts yet be an instance of a very different genre. A text may be a mix of different genres. Genres change through time. We draw on our previous experience with a genre to produce, understand, and interpret new examples of a genre. Genre is not always a clear-cut category. I think it's enough about my presentation, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.